A small airplane with Eymo. Say hi, Eymo.
Hi.
Okay. Make your airplane and explain at the same time for the viewers. Can you explain? Can you explain what you're doing? Like with words?
No, it will be fast, like in the wheel.
What?
I will be fast, like in the real one.
Oh.
Cut. Shall I do, okay?
Should I put songs in the background? Okay. No talking? Just fast pace making Legos? Okay. Did you put on your pajamas, Anna? Let me see your socks.
Daddy, you didn't record it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can you rewind? Okay, I guess I recorded it up until that there. You're gonna start over? Okay. Fast-paced Lego making. Pieces are flying around. This is too fast. It's too fast that pieces are flying around. Oh no, what's going on? What's going on? Baby's coming. Little baby. Eren, what's your brother doing?
A chuck.
Uchak?
A
What does uchak mean in English?
plane.
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 What is it, Eren?
Plane.
Say it again.
Plane.
Look at the camera and say it.
Plane.
You don't have to come that close.
Book.
Okay, show your airplane. Put it in your palm like this and show it. Zooming in. Zooming in. Amos, say that's how you make an airplane.
That's how we do it.
No, not like that. Do it. Say it like me. That's how you make an airplane.
That's how you make an airplane.
Can you say it one more time looking at the lens?
That's how to make an airplane. Small airplane.
Say, that's how you make a small airplane.
That's how you make a small airplane.
Yay! Clap for your brother, Eren. Clap, 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 clap. Good job.